Good afternoon, Ugandan. First of all, my reaction on the draw for AFCON 2025. I think it's a fair group and I think it's playable, but we may not think that it will be too easy or underestimate any team, because in Africa there are no small teams anymore. So we really have to be focused on these games, on this group, but we have to believe that we can make it. For the preparations, I can only start from the 2nd of September with the players who are playing abroad. But I think I will start earlier with the local players. So maybe 1 week or 10 days before the 31st of August, but it depends a little bit our game of the Super Cup, how we're gonna do it. But I think it will be important that I start with the local players, because we have a lot of local players in our team. And then the players from abroad, because it's an official FIFA date, we have to wait till the 2nd of September to prepare our games. So I think everybody again has to be focused. The message that I have for the players, players must from today onwards be focused in their thoughts, behave and work very hard in their teams to be ready for the first games in September. Because to be in the selection of the 23 or the 25 squad, it will not be easy. So there will be a lot of concurrence. So I'm expecting that the players are really focused, a good mindset to prepare these games. They have to realize that they will be the ambassadors of their country, and that our supporters have the belief in them, and they are expecting good results in good football. A good start is always important in tournaments, so I hope that we will have a little bit of luck on our side for the first coming games in September. So if you can have a good start, it gives you the confidence to continue playing the games. So I expect from our players that they will behave themselves and prepare themselves like real professionals, so that they are ready to come for training camp in September. For our fans, I'm asking the supporters to have the belief in the players and ask them to support them like they have been doing against Botswana in Algeria. It was really amazing to see. It was an amazing experience to see how the supporters were behind the team for the full 90 minutes. So it was really exciting. So I'm asking again, have the belief in the team. We need you, because we know and I realize that we have the best supporters of Africa, but they can play a very crucial role. That means they have to be the 12th player on the pitch. And if we can play with 12 against 11, then we always have a favorite. So my last message, we need everyone, and everyone is important if we want to get good results. If we want to get through, then we need everybody on board, and I'm counting on everyone. Thank you, and I hope for all the best for Uganda.